It's a storm in Greece and all the Greeks are hiding.
This morning we experienced Greek English church, and then this afternoon Iranian church, and now we're going to experience
Acropolis.
Yes, good job.
Just to note to anybody else, you cannot take a handheld camera gimbal in. It doesn't work. So now we're taking it apart.
Phew, we got through. Now on to what we came to see. This is impressive. I can't even fit it all on the screen for you. Look who just joined us at the Acropolis. He's been here the whole time and didn't know it. So this here is Mars Hill, also known as the Areopagus. This is probably where Paul gave his sermon to the Stoics and the Epicureans, and that is where the market is down below. It's Monday morning and we're headed to go do a couple video assignments today. Well, that's 4 videos in about 3 hours, I think, so a lot of work. Now we gotta go edit them. Baby Jadon is sleeping, Alyssa is memorizing Philippians, and I am going to fly a drone.
Oh, you did come! Little Jadon. No,
How's it going, David?
It's so good.
Honestly, just a lot of hard-hitting questions that we...
Greek food picnic. And a nice little baby. And the Acropolis is back. Are you excited for a Greek lemon?
I love it.
We are boarding the bus to go out for the day. We're going to go to a museum and the Acropolis again, and who knows where else. We are done at the Acropolis. Now we are in the Acropolis Museum. Somebody's having fun with Uncle David. We are right in the middle of the red light district here in Athens. We are praying for the people who are stuck in ugliness here. Well, that's one of the more sobering walks we've ever been on. Sad part of town, but that's the world that we live in. Today we are at the expo for the marathon in Athens, so we're just with a lot of runners right now. Baby Jadon, how was the expo? You loved it? Once again, Jadon has found some new friends everywhere we go. Well, looks like we get Persian food tonight. Alyssa said she likes the Persian soup. This grocery store has a place to leave your camera rig while you go in the store. We're headed to the start line for the 10K, and there are a lot of people out here. This is the Olympic Stadium in Athens, and our first racer just finished the 10K. It's marathon race day. We sent David Levy off to the race, and we're going to see if we can get video of our racers, and that'll be over the next 3, 4, or 5 hours. We got off of the subway and now we're just waiting for the runners to come by. It should be here in about 20 some minutes. How is mommy's Euro onions? We've spent about the last 6 or 7 hours in here. All of our runners have finally finished, and now we just get to enjoy the view. And baby Jadon put up with a lot today. Good job, man.